I have a fantastic no-bake dessert that is diabetic friendly, pre-diabetic friendly, and I promise is gonna wow the entire ground. No blood sugar spikes allowed with this dessert. Now you can't have a recipe without ingredients, and all these can be purchased at your local grocery store. That includes Walmart, Kroger, Aldi, Albertsons. You know, Aldi is one of my new favorite grocery stores. I have 0 sugar vanilla Jello. Very important that we use the instant kind. 0 sugar Cool Whip, and again, gang, check the label. Look for the lowest sugar that fits into your budget. An apple, don't panic. We're only using one, the size of the clenched fist. Lily's chocolate chips. I have 2 flavors. Pick your favorite. And Fairlife milk, and the winner for folks who are diabetic and lactose intolerant. So Lily's is my preferred chocolate, but if you want to, there's Choc Zero. I'm sure there's a ton of other different varieties that you can find at your local Walmart. I usually buy mine at Drug Emporium. So, you know, use what you want. You don't have to be glued to what I say. Now you can see I already have opened and poured the package of the sugar-free Jello into the bowl. And I'm gonna get asked the question, can we use different flavors? And really, honestly, you absolutely can. But, you know, vanilla to me, it's plain. It works in this recipe. But if you wanna do chocolate, cheesecake, go for it. I'm adding to this a cup of our Fairlife milk. And remember, Fairlife is a lactose-free milk, but the coolest part about it, it's 6 grams of carbs per cup, whereas regular milk is 12 grams of carbs per cup or per serving. So we're saving half the amount of carbs by using Fairlife. We're gonna whisk this together for about 2 to 3 minutes. It is a little bit of a lengthy process. I mean, to me, 3 minutes isn't a long time, but for some folks who are not used to making a roux, so if you're not, you know, in the gumbo world, 2 to 3 minutes is nothing for us, but you could grab your hand mixer. It's perfectly okay. I just hate to dirty dishes. I'm kind of lazy. One other thing about Fairlife milk being lactose intolerant, both my husband and daughter are lactose intolerant. They drink this milk. It's fine. It works for them. If you prefer a plant-based milk, you could use Ripple. Ripple has more protein than your almond milk varieties, so go for it with that one. We're gonna cut our apple. You're gonna chop it. If you have a fancy chopper, go ahead and grab it. I had one. It just didn't fit my style. I actually think I kind of broke it because I really couldn't figure out how to work it. I looked up a whole bunch of YouTube videos. Let me know in the comments section if that's you. You're just using the knife. You're just squeaking on by. Yes, I was making some tacos earlier. I had a little bit of onion left on the cutting board. It's okay. It's safe. It's clean, gang. And your apple, we're using that fist size, is going to have approximately 3 to 5 grams of fiber. We love fiber. It's a weight loss winner. It keeps us full. Now, if you notice, I have the pudding to the side. I let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes and notice it thickened up. That is exactly what we want. We want this pudding to be thick. It's instant. That's its job. That's what it's supposed to do. Now, this is where I want you to use your own taste buds and what you like. You see, I have this 0 sugar Cool Whip. Yes, you could use the fancy True Whip, which is, you know, kind of clean and pure and all that fun stuff. And I have these conversations with my patients. And if you're new here, hey, I'm Shelly, otherwise known as Dietitian Shelly. I'm the author of the Skinny Louisiana in the Kitchen series. Love my job. I'm a dietitian. I help folks lower their blood sugar, balance their hormones, help them lose weight. But I work with everyone, and so I'm like, hey, if you want that clean lifestyle, go for the True Whip. But I never ever want you to feel guilty or bust your budget strings, you know, so we can pick things like the Walmart brand and the Kroger brand and the Albertsons brand. But more importantly, I want to go by your flavor. I love Cool Whip, so I'm putting the whole container in there. Some of y'all are going to be like, you could put half of it in there. I'm also using a fork to mix this. This takes a little bit of time to mix, not a lot, but you want to have it nice and blended. So again, this is where you can pull out the hand mixer. You're going to fold in your apples, mix them together, and then you're going to add to this your 4th cup of your Lily's chocolate chips. Remember I said earlier, hey, pick your favorite flavor if there's one on sale or there's one on clearance. I've never met a clearance rack that I didn't like. I love a deal. I love to shop when I travel. I love to go into grocery stores and check them out. Let me know if that's you. We could be friends. I mean, I'm friends with you all. But this, y'all, is a perfect dessert. It takes total about 10 to 15 minutes to make. It's great for after supper. It is great for a family event. It is great for a hot day. It is great in general. When you're done mixing this, put it in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 hours. And gang, I'm Dietitian Shelly. If you want more simple recipes like this, be sure to like and subscribe. Much love, gang. Bye-bye.